Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here. And I got an exciting announcement. I just finished my first book. People have told me for years, Jeff, you should write a book. And most professional speakers do have a book. And I always thought, it just seems like such an egotistical thing to do. What the world really needs right now is another book full of my ideas. And so never wrote one up until now, but the book is about communication skills. And I have seen so many people in my lifetime who are struggling to be everything they can be and accomplish everything they want because they struggle to communicate effectively with others. And so my new book is called Say It Like It Matters When It Matters. Communicating with power, effectiveness, and authenticity. I wrote this book for anyone who has dreams and goals in their life, things that they're trying to accomplish, and they want to get to the next level and get closer to reaching their goals. The book is in 3 sections. The first part is all about public speaking. And in that section, I teach how to overcome your fear of public speaking. If you've ever been afraid or nervous to get up in front of an audience, this book is going to teach you how to get over that quickly and easily. Talk about how to connect with an audience using stories, how to organize a presentation. And I think if you have any part of your career that involves presenting to others, the first part of this book's really going to help you. The second section of the book is about another difficult, challenging aspect of communication, and that is selling. Everybody is selling something, and your ability to express your ideas effectively, find out what other people are trying to accomplish, partner with them to help them do it. This book can help you. I tell in here the story of how I struggled for years working in professional business-to-business sales. And then I learned some things that really gave me a breakthrough. I started selling 5 times more with 1/3 the amount of effort. And I share in this book how I did that and how you can do it too. The third section of the book is about essential conversations that you're going to have in your life and how you can communicate more effectively with everyone around you. There's a section on communicating with strangers, why you should be doing that and how you should do it in order to increase your influence and effectiveness and to make a bigger difference with your life. A section on dealing with difficult people. A section on communicating with your spouse or in relationships. There's a great chapter, I think, on communicating with your kids and some lessons I've learned about some of the most important conversations you're ever going to have. And then a final chapter on communicating with the most important person you're ever going to communicate with. And so this book is 30 chapters, about 200 pages. I basically spent the last year of my life working on this project of taking everything I learned from 40 years of communicating and putting it into a book, sharing everything I can think of to help you learn how to be a better communicator. Well, the book launches on September 5th, 2023. It is right now, just went on sale for pre-sale. Eventually, it's going to be in the next couple of weeks, it's going to be available on Barnes & Noble and Amazon and Books A Million and Walmart, and really every online book retailer is going to have this available by September 5th. But right now you can pre-order these books on my website, and if you want, you can get them autographed. I'd be happy to autograph a book for you, which always seemed a little weird to me, like, would you write your name in my book? But I'd be happy to do that for you if that's something you want. And where you go to buy these books right now, you either go to my website, which is jeffjoyner.com, or you can go to the website sayitLikeItMatters.com, or you can also go to jeffjoynerbook.com. Any one of those will take you to the site where you can pre-order these books. I do have a hardcover and a paperback. The paperback's cheaper. The hardcover, though, I think is a lot nicer. It's got a really high quality. My printer I'm working with is making a super high quality hardcover book. Both of them are high quality, but the hardcover's got a dust jacket. And if it's something you think you might want to keep and maybe take some notes in and highlight, I recommend the hardcover, but both are available. After I finish my summer speaking tour, I'm going to be recording an audiobook version of this. That's going to be coming later, hopefully in time for Christmas, and so stay tuned for that. But I hope you get the chance to order this book. I hope when it arrives that you like it and that it really makes a difference in your life. I think it's going to help you in so many ways. I've had about a dozen of my friends that I respect from different professions proofread it so far. Some great input that helped me. I think 16 versions of editing this book that I've been through to try to make it have maximum impact for anybody who's trying to accomplish extraordinary things in your life. So that's it. If you do get a chance to read it, I'd love to get some feedback from you. You can go online and do a review of the book if you want, or just send me some feedback. Love to hear from you. But coming out September 5th, pre-order it now. Say it like it matters when it matters.